Welcome to your super quick and energizing morning stretch and flow. Whether you're short on time or in need of a simple warm-up before diving deeper into your practice or workout, the next 10 minutes will gift you exactly what you need: energy, peace, and a moment to reconnect with yourself. So if you're ready to get started, grab your mat and let's begin. Today's video is sponsored and brought to you by Gymshark. Since being introduced to the Gymshark line of activewear, we've been highly impressed by this brand's ability to provide their community with functional and stylish apparel, which uses absolutely no animal products whatsoever. So it makes it perfect for our active and mindful lifestyle. To us, mindfulness in yoga is about pushing ourselves to be better, both on and off the mat, year after year. It's this idea which makes Gymshark so appealing because part of their mission has been to recognize they have more work to do and provide transparency reports on their website, reporting their journey towards becoming a more sustainable, eco-friendly, and responsible company as each year passes. And we encourage you to go check it out. Gymshark has a large line of active clothing for both men and women, so if you're looking for some comfy and high-quality yoga wear, click the link below in the description of this video and check out what Gymshark has to offer. They have been a great addition to our active wardrobe these days, and we look forward to continue to watch them grow on their journey. With that said, let's get back to our practice, grab your mat, and let's begin. Alright my friends, let's get started today seated at the center of your mat. Go ahead and reach both of your arms up towards the sky, big stretch. Interlacing all of your fingers and extend your arms so the palms of your hands are facing up to the sky. Big reach, take another inhale, lengthening through the spine, then as you exhale, go ahead and just reach over to one side. You can look downward towards the mat here, making sure that your shoulders are square, your sit bones are square as well, seated on your mat. Good, breathing deeply into the side body here, inhale, and then come back to center, exhale, take it to the other side. So same thing, your body is square, your shoulders are square, hips are square. You can look down or up towards the sky depending on what feels best for you. Breathing deeply into the side body here, welcoming lots of oxygen and blood flow into that area of your body. Awesome, back to center, releasing your hands, and then just bring your arms to the side, keep looking up towards the sky, big stretch, open up that heart and chest, and release the hands back down. Beautiful job. Now what I want you to do is just swing those feet over towards the front of your mat, and then make your way all the way down towards the floor, onto your back. We're going to just do a quick little gentle spinal stretch. So take your right ankle, place it over top of your left knee, and then with that right heel, guide your left knee down. Take your arms out to the side in cactus, or you can just keep them at your belly. You can keep your gaze up towards the ceiling or over towards your left shoulder. And this is a very gentle spinal twist to begin our practice today, to warm up your body, to start your day with. Breathing in deeply, feeling any tension that you may feel in your body, letting go with each exhale. Good. Feel free to close your eyes here and just stay in this present awareness. One with your breath. Awesome. Come back to neutral and just switch sides. So now your left heel onto your right knee, and then guide that right knee towards your left side. Your arms are staying open towards the side or in cactus formation. And then you're more than welcome to look over your right shoulder to go even deeper into the spinal twist, or just keep your gaze straight. Good, and as your eyes are closed, take this opportunity right now to set an intention for your practice, set an intention for your day. Allowing yourself to find this present awareness, reconnecting with your own breath, your own being. Inhale and exhale, returning back to center. Great job. And then from here, just bring both knees into your chest and then start to extend both legs up to the sky. Flex your feet, holding the back of your knees here just to feel this nice little stretch in the hamstrings, And then bending your knees, grabbing your ankles or the outsides of your feet into your happy baby pose. Pulling your knees towards the mat, and then adding a gentle rock side to side if this feels good on your body. This is a wonderful way to welcome more blood flow into the hip region, warming up your hips, warming up all those joints, those bones and muscles in the body. So gently rocking side to side or staying still, continuing to find presence with your own breath. Inhale deeply into your body. Exhale it all out. Let go of tension, physically and mentally. With each exhalation, let go of all that no longer serves you. Beautiful. Now come back to center with both legs. Bend your knees, and then at your own timing, rock yourself up over towards your child's pose position. So come to the back of your mat. Go ahead and just take another reach with both arms, and then dive the arms down into your child's pose. And this is a wonderful posture to do when we start our day, as it allows us to release any tension out of your lower back. And don't worry if you can't come all the way down to your heels. Just breathe wherever you are, and with each exhalation, notice how your body begins to let go. Reach your arms forward towards the front of your mat so you're feeling that gentle stretch through your shoulders, through your upper back as well. Your forehead is releasing all the way down towards the mat. Breathe in deeply. Exhale, slowly coming back to neutral position now on all fours. Tuck your toes. And then from here, pull the navel into the spine. Begin to lift the hips up towards the sky. Keep your knees bent, or if you're able to, begin to extend both knees all the way over to your downward facing dog. Beautiful, and just hold it here. If you're feeling that tension in the hamstrings, keep those knees slightly bent. Or feel free to add some movement now, bending one knee at a time, pressing the opposite heel into the mat, so feeling that stretch going into your calf muscles as well, awakening the backs of your legs. Deep breath in. Exhale, allow your sternum to release, lengthening through the spine here. With each exhalation, allowing your heels to gently come further down towards the mat. Inhale in, exhale out. And then from here, walk your way forward towards the very front of your mat, taking 4 to 6 steps. And once you make your way forward to your mat, you can keep your feet together or slightly apart, whatever feels good. Grab the opposite elbows, bend your knees to make sure that you're first not folding from your lower back, and then begin to rock side to side into this ragdoll position. Allowing your head to be super loose here, so feeling that decompression of your upper back and your neck. Allow your entire upper body to be super heavy here as you gently rock side to side, feeling a gentle release through the back of your legs. And then release your hands towards your ankles, and then grab onto your ankles as you release into your standing forward fold. And just notice where you're at here. Don't force anything. Just breathe, and with each exhalation, allow your body to gently go further and further. Maybe your forehead can touch your knees, maybe you're far away from it today. That's okay. Just breathe. Inhale. Now exhale, bend your knees and slowly begin to roll up to standing vertebra by vertebra. Coming up to your standing position at the front of your mat, roll your shoulders back away from the ears. Let's start with some sun salutations here. Very easy. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, dive your body all the way to the mat. Inhale, come up halfway. And then exhale, take 2 steps back into a high plank. Then take a chaturanga or drop down to your knees to make this easier. Release the back toes and then open up your chest into your upward facing dog, stretching out your upper back. And then press into the hands, exhale, push it back, downward facing dog, breathe it out. Allowing those heels to come down as you inhale deeply, exhale out. Hold it here. One more breath in. Exhale, bend your knees, lift your heels, hop to the front of your mat. Inhale halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, slowly come up to standing, reach both arms up to the sky, and then exhale, hands at your heart, Samastiti. Let's do it again a little faster. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, dive your body down. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, 2 steps back into your plank position. Take that chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog as you extend. Exhale, push back, release into your downward facing dog. Breathe it out. Now notice each time you get into your downward facing dog, how your body begins to let go. Inhale, now let's lift the heels, bend your knees, hop or step to the front of your mat. Inhale halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, standing up, reaching both arms up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart. Let's do it again. Inhale, reach up. We're building up some heat now in the body. Exhale, dive it down. Inhale halfway. Exhale, hop or step back to plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, push back, release into your downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, lift the heels, bend your knees, hop or step front of your mat. Inhale halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come on up, reach both arms up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart. And one more time. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, dive it down. Inhale halfway. Exhale, you're going to step or hop into plank and then take your Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog as you extend and open. Exhale, push back and release into that downward facing dog. Breathe it out. Good. Make sure your elbows are not pointing out to the side. Tuck them in. Lift the heels, bend your knees, and this time make your way back over into your seated position. Beautiful work. Come on over to your easy pose with your feet crossed in front of you, and just take a deep breath in, reaching both arms up to the sky, and then exhale, bring your hands to heart. And again, inhale, reach up. Great, and exhale, bring your hands over to your heart, closing your eyes and just taking one last exhalation, thanking yourself for your beautiful and quick practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this practice, it would mean the world to us if you click that subscribe button to help our content rise to the top. And if you're looking for more of an immersive yoga experience, check out our new Boho Beautiful official app, which can be found at www.bohobeautiful.tv. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.